Hello everyone in Mr. Arnold's Law class. Today we look at Unit 1, Activity 7, Landmark Cases and Changes to the Law. In today's activity, you'll be required to complete two parts. The first, to open the PDF entitled Cases That Have Changed Society. The second part of your activity is to go into the Google chat room and open the copy of the worksheet entitled Cases That Have Changed Society Worksheet. Excellent. How does the law change? Why do cases have such long names? Those are just two of the pieces that we are going to learn about today. We discuss landmark cases, and a landmark case means it is a distinguishing case that changed precedent around a certain issue and therefore changed the law or laws in Canada. Excellent. Let's take a look at case citation, or the name of a case. If we focus on the first name of the first case, we'll see that there's some information provided to us. First of all, we have the person who is bringing the case to the court. In this case, the last person of the name bringing the case to the court is Andrews. They are bringing the case to the court against the Law Society of British Columbia. Now remember that the V does not stand for versus. In legal citation, V simply separates two names in the case. So the official way to say this case citation is Andrews against Law Society of British Columbia. The other important piece is the year of the case and also the court that the case was heard in. In this case, SCR simply stands for Supreme Court Reports. And the reason that you'll see SCR in the rest of these cases is that the Supreme Court and the Charter of Rights and Freedoms and the Constitution is the highest court in the land. And the Supreme Court is the final court that hears cases in deciding, distinguishing cases in deciding and setting precedent. So your responsibility will be in your group to pick one of the distinguishing cases or landmark cases that are in the case title column. The next thing you'll do is you are going to look for the section of the charter. This is clearly stated in the Cases That Have Changed Society worksheet. You can see, if we refer to Andrews against Law Society of British Columbia, the section being referred to is Section 15 of the Charter. You will use the Charter of Rights and Freedoms to find what the title of the section is. Next, you're going to list the legal issue. The legal issue is also listed in the case. In this case, the issue was that citizenship status was analogous to other grounds protected by Section 15. Analogous means comparable. But since citizenship was not listed, the court found that it should still be protected because it is comparable to other grounds found in Section 15. The final piece of information is you are going to list the impact or change. All this information is described for you in your case. Great. So finally, in your groups, you are going to access the Cases That Have Changed Society worksheet from your Google chat room. Next, in your Google chat room and within this document, each group member will choose a row or case title. And finally, you are responsible to read that case and list the information in the worksheet. Thanks so much, folks, and I'll talk to you soon.